today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Constant Contact. Whether you're adjusting an image inside your email or refining a picture stored in your library, the process is simple and quick. If you're editing an image inside an email, open your draft and click the photo you want to modify. A small toolbar will appear. Select the Replace option and a new window will open. There, you'll see the option to edit. Once you click it, you'll be taken directly into the image editor where all the editing tools live. If you prefer to edit an image from your library instead, head to your library, find the photo you want, click the pencil icon beside it and choose Image Editor. This takes you to the exact same editing workspace. Inside the editor, you will find all your tools arranged neatly on the side. The Transform tool helps you crop and resize your image. Filters can instantly change the mood or style. The Adjust panel lets you fine-tune brightness, contrast, and other essential details. You can even add text if you want to highlight a message or create a more personalized visual. Once you are satisfied with your changes, make sure to save your work by clicking the Apply or Save button. This locks in your edits, so your image is ready to publish or reuse. That's all it takes. Editing photos in Constant Contact is smooth, intuitive, and gives you full control over the look and feel of your visuals. Try experimenting with the tools and you will be creating polished images in no time.